welcome back to another video. We're with Dylan. We're in Dylan's brand new car. I'm not gonna, should we say? I don't know. That'll be a later issue, but we're in Dylan's new car. We're gonna go meet up Hadeed just down the road. And then we're gonna go take some photos of this car, or cruise. We're gonna take a little route cruise around and should be fun. All right, so we just pulled up. Now we're leaving.
Oh wait, this way only lets you go right.
Oh yeah, I remember this road is tight turns.
Nice and slow.
My dad went up here once with his truck. In the trailer, I think.
I take that back. I've been on this road with my brother driving one time. Because the maps told him to go this way, and then he still did for some reason.
Imagine going up this in winter.
Oh, especially rear wheel drive.
That'd be bye-bye.
No, that sucks. But you can take a nice picture right here.
But you're gonna stop here?
Yeah, I feel like this is kind of dangerous.
Yeah,
here.
you can park here though.
I was gonna say don't stop here because I feel like
Jesus Christ, gotta go wide.
driving here in general sucks.
No, it's fine. It's easy.
No, yeah, it is easy. It's just annoying. All the winding.
Oh, Jesus. So we're gonna chill here quick for a couple minutes, take a couple pictures, and then we'll head out. So Dylan, what are your first thoughts of this, first impressions?
Okay.
What are your first impressions of this car?
Oh, it's great. Driving, it's great. Turns nice. Even my dad said he liked that when he drove it today. Because it was his first time. He was even saying it was a good choice.
See the trunk space? That's good.
Like, it's good when you put the back seats down. I can fit, like, you know, golf clubs. I don't.
Golf clubs?
No! I'm just saying that in an example, you know, because those are huge.
Sure.
Like, you can fit 4 tires back here.
Like, yeah, when you switch and put them in there. Alright, so we're gonna head off now.
Even I have trouble getting into the Silvo. I sometimes have trouble because it's
Connor does not. He's gonna regret sitting back there. All right, we're gonna head off that way. Oops.
What is this? Change it. Why is it playing like opera music?
It's just a George on it. That's the radio station.
Answer. Hadeed, we're going left towards McDonald's. Yeah, that's right. Why'd you pass me? We're gonna turn soon. That's why I was behind the truck.
I thought it went straight.
Nah, that's why I stayed behind the truck because we got to turn. Are you in that parking lot, KFC?
Yeah.
I see you like constantly turning around.
Okay, well that was.
That was.
That sounded like a fart.
What did?
I don't know, some gravel or something.
That was an episode. Oh, wait. Don't hit me.
Alright.
Oh, yeah, I'll leave my window.
I can get out. God damn. I like those.
What?
Right here, Audi R8. Was that the old one or new one?
It's a new one. Oh, fuck,
Doing momentum. Alright, so we're here to have some lunch. We're probably just gonna chill, maybe edit some photos. And yeah. Alright, so we just finished. Well, they just finished eating at it. Now we're gonna head back into the cars. I'll go in your car again. Try taking some rollers. to one more spot with Dylan, take a couple more rollers and more shots, and I'll see you guys when we're there. So now we're gonna all wait for him. Dylan has arrived. We can just take like a couple shots here, and then we'll go in.
Oh, okay, yeah. I was like, why have you stopped here?
Alright guys, we're gonna go on this road over here, take a couple more rollers maybe, and then do a poll eventually.